Hello, I'm Holly Yeatman. I'm the recruiting coordinator for the Department of Crop, Soil, and Environmental Sciences. If coming to a big university is a concern of yours, it won't be once you meet our faculty, staff, and students. They are friendly and welcoming and want to see you succeed. Today, Evan Buckner is here with me. He's a student in our department and he's a Bumpers College ambassador.
Hi.
Evan, hi. Why would you want to encourage someone to pursue a major in our department?
So pursuing a major in this department, I think, is more unique, in my opinion, than a lot of other just colleges overall here at Fayetteville, because crop, soil, and environmental sciences, it really puts you in the field in terms of your classes. So what I mean by that is that this department does a really amazing job at immersing students through their classes here as to what the field is going to be like. So, for example, I took a class this past semester, it was Principles of Weed Control. And our lab for that class covered a lot of things that are really commonplace just overall in the weed sciences field. So this was a really hands-on lab. We were doing lots of, we were spraying, talking about calculations, giving different scenarios and then told what to do. And then just for example, even another class I took was so for my major, I took a crop sciences lab. And this was when I was a freshman. And so just being able to do those different lab experiments and just go through again those different problems are really those really hands-on situations. They really help you to feel out your major, and even so, not just to fill it out, but also it really helps you give a really it really helps you to have a very full understanding of what a major in the ag sciences is like.
Okay, do you have any advice for our incoming students?
So, any advice for, let's see, I would say two things, actually three things. The first of which being get to know your professors in your department. So, being able to know the different faculty members that are teaching the course classes that you're in for your major really help you to get an even better understanding of what this field is like, and then also just being able to build those relationships really helps you as a young student, as a young scientist, as a young worker for the industry, what have you. And so it also just sets you apart from your peers, because being able to know your professors also really helps you in those in classes as well. So the other two really quickly would be be able to adapt to change when it comes to finding study a really good study routine, because what works for you one school year, as I've learned, probably won't be like the exact best study routine to do as you're going throughout college. And the third one would have to be find a group of friends also with outside of your major, because being able to have friends in different majors coming from different backgrounds or different fields really helps you to gain a better understanding of even your major. And that's just because being able to talk about, maybe you're working on a project and you want to say, hey, can I run this by you? And so being able to make your, I guess, your work here as a ag science major, um, be able to reach across all fields. So
Thank you.